really wanted to film me transforming my room because especially right now, it is so messy. I spent like the whole week studying and going to school and dancing and having practices and stuff, so I really wasn't cleaning my room. I actually need to see what time it is because I have to leave to practice and then we're going out to dinner, and I'll probably like start doing it now and then finish the video. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a little montage of my room. Probably like do a load of laundry. Like I need to clean my bed sheets, so I'm just gonna do that right now because yeah, this is dirty. I literally just stepped on that. Wow. So it is the next day and I kind of showed you that I went shopping and got some stuff at Target. Actually, I might just show you guys right now that I went to Target and got some stuff. I decided to go to the grocery store too. I'm telling you, this is so good. No sugar, no artificial sweeteners. I always have it with this pizza. And then I'm gonna try this like new like stupid fad going around where people blend this up and just drink it. And I just saw some celery and I'm like, I'm just gonna try it because I literally can never eat celery. I went to the gym earlier and that's where I went like shopping after because I was close. But yeah, and then I'm gonna start to clean my room when I get home. And I've been wanting a new trash can for forever because my other one is so gross, and I was just like, one I have right now is clear so you can see the trash that's in it and it doesn't look good, so I decided to get that. And then I got this at Target too and it was cheap, like $5. It just reminds me of spring, so that'll be perfect for spicing up my room with some spring. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I got last week at Urban Outfitters that I'm gonna add into this transformation. A world map, and I really like how it's like rose gold and it has little magnets so you can put pictures of if you travel, and I think that's super cute. Like $6 on Urban Outfitters, and I was like, we'll just get it. Just be hanging somewhere, so we'll figure that out along the way. But honestly, my room is just so bad. I like started to wash some sheets. I think I'm gonna start with my makeup next. I have like my game day makeup kit along with the trash everywhere. Okay, so as I'm setting this up to show you guys me cleaning my makeup, literally broke. My babe broke. So the time lapse starts now. Round and round. look at the laundry. So I've decided where I want to put my map. I really want to visit more countries and places around the universe. I already had nails in here from when I used to have another thing hanging. Yay! That's exciting. Okay, cool. So that was fun and inspiring. So if you ever need, whoa. How long was that like that? That's very artsy. I think that's cute. But yeah, in case you guys want to know, I try to make that more springy. Anyways, dude, I'm finally done. That was hard. Oh, nope. Where should I put this? But you guys see, I changed my setting. But yeah, over here, I just keep that. And in case you guys want to know, like, random junk in here, like hard drives and makeup wipes, no one should care about that. But I'm going to show you guys the final product. Gabby DiMartino has this. And I didn't even know, like, how cool. Would that be cute right over here? I am down for that. I have so much stuff over here, though. No, we're not doing that. This is my bed made, finally. And my bathroom with the new little trash can. And then all these spring colors. And I just filmed a bathroom tour. Should I put it here? That's cute. Oh, yeah. Put that here within this because I keep like my toothbrushes and stuff. I did a bathroom tour, so there's no need for me to show anything in here. But yeah, I did my closet, all my shoes down here. Stuff, I do the Maria, what's it called? The condo thing? Quando? No, condo. Yeah, and then I just keep like shorts. I just want to show you guys like how I stay like organized with it. Like in here. Keep like my sweatpants. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end the video because I feel like I'm talking way too much and I should probably just end it. So I'm gonna end the video with a scenic view of my cleaned room. It's beautiful. You are beautiful in every single way. No, whoa, bring me down. Come on. That's just a speaker. That doesn't match the vibe, but just ignore. Oh, this says Brittany. Oh, that's so cute. How it like stood like that.